Hi guys, welcome to this IWCS tutorial. Today we're going to be discussing the headset interface. Let's take a look at it. The headset interface adds two functionalities to your ERICOM 3.0 wired headset. One of them being volume control and the other one being remote PTT control of up to 4 external radios. Before I get to these two functionalities, let me show you how to connect a wired headset to your interface. Start off by removing the protective rubber cap from your headset interface. Your headset end will have a male connector and the interface will have a female connector. There is a red dot on each end and you line these two up and press forward until you hear an audible click. When you want to remove it again, you pull back the lock sleeve and remove your wire. The volume is controlled on the front of your headset interface using the up or the down buttons. There are 14 volume steps, and these are represented by 7 LED lights, so you need to press 2 times to visibly move up or down 1 step. Now to activate the second feature, which is the remote control of PTT, you press the up and the down buttons and hold them down for a second or two, and you will visibly see the LED at the top of your scale go on. This means you're in PTT mode. You can now activate PTT for an external radio by pressing the up button. When you do so, you will see the bottom 2 LED lights illuminate at the same time, telling you that PTT is activated and data transfer is possible. If you want to then toggle through other external radios, if you have more than one in your setup, you press the down button and you will be able to, using the 4 remaining LED lights, see which external radio you're on. Being a toggle function, when you reach radio 4, it will go back to 1 again after another press. If you want to go back into volume mode, you just press again both buttons and hold them down for a couple of seconds, and you will again be able to see your scale of volume and adjust that as needed. Well, that was our headset interface tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and we will answer as best as we can. Take care.